In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace your signature in DocuSign. If you need to update an old signature, switch to a cleaner version, or upload a more professional looking one. This process is quick and easy once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, log into your DocuSign account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This is where DocuSign keeps your personal account settings, including the signature options tied to your profile. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Manage Profile. This will take you into the section where you can update details related to your account and signing preferences. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to My Profile. This is the main area where your personal settings are organized. If you've never explored this section before, don't worry. Everything is laid out in a straightforward way. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Signatures. This is the section where DocuSign stores the signature and initials you use when signing documents. If you already have a signature saved, you'll be able to update it from here. Now, if there's already a signature on file, click Add Signature. This lets you create a new one before replacing the old version. It's helpful because you can preview the new signature first and make sure it looks the way you want. At this point, choose how you want to create your new signature. DocuSign typically gives you a few options. You can select a pre-made signature style, draw your signature manually, or upload an image of your real signature. If you want the most personal look, drawing or uploading usually works best. If you want something fast and neat, a pre-made style can be a good option. Once you've chosen your preferred signature style and you're happy with how it looks, click Create. This saves the new signature so it's ready to use in your account. After that, click Replace. This is the step that swaps out your existing signature and sets the new one as the signature DocuSign will use going forward. Before moving on, it's a good idea to take one last look and make sure everything appears correctly. And that's it. Your signature has now been updated in DocuSign, and you're ready to sign future documents with the new version. Thanks for watching.